Huh. Let me think. I just need one more land, and then this hand is playable. I don't know, like I said, I didn't see any other removal. So, I'll actually go for this. Because I just need one land. Oh, he's playing last. Interesting. Is it still worth it? I think it's still worth it. It could get pretty crazy. I just need to draw a land. And I do have 17 lands. So, I might as well cast this out before he has a chance to counter. I don't know. We'll see if it's... He's playing the more control-ish. Fight Spell Bomb. Okay. Land. Land. Yes! Oh, that feels so good. That feels so good. I'm sorry. It's, Did I kill that? I could kill that. I didn't see any enchantments. What 4-drops could he have? That could be a waste, though. I still don't want him accelerating to anything. And he does have some Metacraft dudes, so... I don't know. We'll see. If that was a waste. But I don't want him accelerating to anything. And it keeps him off Metacraft, so... And we're swinging in. Hooray. Kind of unfortunate. Invisimancer? Trinket Mage, alright. Life Staff, probably. Yeah. Oh, Fight Spell Bomb. Interesting. Precursor Golem. He has Disperse. I think that's the only thing I saw. So. And we pass. Yeah, Fairvoy and pass. We may do Heartstoker. It depends what his next drops are. Okay, yeah. Oh, Replica. Replica. Okay. Swing for 2. Yep. Okay, so I could Heartstoker the Fairvoy. He could trade. Would I do that? That's a good question. I don't know. I think I'd rather just equip. Because Fairvoy is pretty nice. You probably take 2. But at least I have a blocker. Sun Chaser, right. Tumble Magnet. Ugh. I really would like a land. Next turn. That would be swell. A land next turn would be just swell. I could also shatter that. But we'll see what happens. Ho 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 ho, yes. And we just hope he has enough Disperse. But yeah, we're swinging for 2. Bam! Tokens. Wow. Wow. Evoke existence would suck. Rested Relic. Alright. That Spell Bomb. Swing for 3s. Yep. Gotta take. Right. So... You, I'm killing. I could kill the Temple Magnet, but, yeah. That sucks. God. Oh, man, I should read these cards. A single golem. Dang. I thought it was just Precursor Golem. I did not know it was any golem. Oh, he didn't know that either, so yeah. Hi. Hi. Well, hi. Hi. I guess I get Reverse Relic, so it's not total loss. Well, well. Oh, man. Well, if it weren't for that... I guess, yeah, at least the rest of Relic's dead. Wow. Wow. Alright. Wow. Alright, I'm still going to try to swing in, you know, I figure you're going to tap that. Yep. Oh, is any golem. Alright, I gotta remember that. That's... I thought it was just Precursor Golem. Like, the Precursor Golem, or, like, you know, any of its tokens. I didn't know it was any single... Well. He's gonna swing for 3 again. I have to be careful, he could swing for... Oh, alright. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna block your Trinket Mage. Like, you may have some, thing, but, Oh. There's a thing. There's a thing. Can I turn to stag that? I'm going to take 3 more. That thing can give thing it flying. Let's see. Assuming he taps. He swings, I have to kill that, I think. Let's see. Let me think. Golem Artisan, and then he'll still swing in for 3. Oh, this is way too... Yeah, Golem Artisan. I don't know. I probably should have just turned to Slag when I had a chance. He could draw a counter now. Oof. So that's gone. He swings for 5-3. I'm not dead yet, but I'm really close. So now I have to turn to Slag that. Let's see. Yep, I have to turn to Slag that. I have to block, and then if I want to get any chance of winning. Although I do not like my chances. Yeah. That's stupid. It would have been hard, kind of, anyways, because he had his Rusted Relic. I should have just done Tumble Magnet, probably. God. This is the sort of thing that, yeah. 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 Yeah, I don't think I'm winning this. Yeah, can't block. And he has 3 cards, I have 1. He has a Temple Magnet still with 1 charge on it, so. Copper Mirror. Awesome. I think I'm dead. Yep, I'm dead. I mean, I could kill the Temple Magnet, but then he'll tap. Well, I'm gonna try anyways, but then, I mean, he'll tap. And then he gets to swing with both. And then I'm dead. But let's see if he knows it. Probably. I expect him to. But you never know. And even if he does let it resolve, I'm not too thrilled with the prospect. Because this needs 1 more evasion. Yep, that's game. So, yeah. Man, I was so excited about getting Precursor going out too. Oh well, it happens. And he has something else. Oh yeah, rest. Okay, so the different it wouldn't matter anyways. Yep. Ugh. Dang. Alright. There still isn't anything else. Alright, he has a rest. And a Bonds of Quicksilver. So there's also some enchantment targets for my revoke. And I guess I didn't have to yeah, revoke existence that mirror. Well, no, I've seen his other enchantments now, so right. Yeah, there's nothing else really. I can do. That's the thing. It's pretty much just the he just has flying creatures. I mean, he has a Rusted Relic, so maybe, but that's still not worth it. So I think I'll just try again 1 more time with this deck and see how it goes, and try to avoid that whole. Yeah. Jeez. There's something that could target all creatures.